Hello everybody. On this video, I will show you how to navigate, complete, and send your work, your math work on pearsonrealize.com. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Let's get this party started. We are going to type pearsonrealize.com. We're going to sign in, and as you know, your logins are, first name followed by the second name, by the last name, I'm sorry, in your section. Password is the same for everybody. Mrs. Rodriguez second. Let's see if I didn't misspell anything. Yes. All right. Now that you're in, you're going to go to My Work and you're going to have a much more organized list than what you saw last week if you were online at all. This time you're going to have these five tiles, and on each you're going to have what you need to do each day. So they are not in order. For some reason, Pearson doesn't allow me to choose the order I want the tiles to be shown. So you're just gonna have to go and check with your daily lesson plans which lessons are supposed to be completed by day. So for math on Monday of next week, you will need to complete 12-6. All right, so let's just go back and look for that particular lesson and get in. You have three tiles again. Now you have these tiles. So the first thing you want to do always is you want to begin with the video. So the video is going to be always titled and the same. The video is going to have the same title as the as as the one that it's on the lesson plans, and it's going to say another look. I don't know if you can see. Hold on. Here we go. Another look. All right. So we want to watch that one first. And once I'm finished watching the video, I'm just going to hit this arrow here. And it's going to ask me if I want to turn this in. And I want to say yes, turn it in. And what does that do? Well, when I go back to the list of the things I need to do today, it's going to check that tile, so I know that that part is already done. Okay, and I'm going to move on to the practice for the day, and that's going to ask me to open a new window, and I'm going to do that. Some of you have already been here, so good for you. You know what, you probably know what to do this week. So basically what I want to look for is the pages that my teacher assigned me. So there are, as you can see over here on the top, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tiles. I don't have to do everything. If I go back to my lessons, my teacher only told me that I need to complete pages 606 and 607. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. This page is 605, so I don't need to do that. I can go ahead and skip that one. Let's see this. Do you see this blue tile here? This is another video. If you want to watch that video, you're more than welcome, but you don't have to. Let's just skip that too and go directly to the next page. Let me see. This is page 606. This is what I need to do. Now, what are you going to do? You want it to complete this online, okay? And you're going to use this toolbar that you have here to complete it. This little dot is like a pencil or a crayon. You can adjust the thickness of the tool. Let's say I want to work in yellow. So let's say they ask me to color this part. So this little tool is going to allow me to do exactly that, okay? Let's say I need to write something. So to write anything, I need to click on the text box right there, click on wherever I need to write, and here, I've already done this, so that's what I need to do. I need to write that. Once I'm finished with everything, I'm done with this part. Cancel, I don't want to delete that. I need to save it. So I'm going to go back to the toolbar and I need to hit save. If I don't do that, when I send my work to my teacher, she's only going to see a blank page. So you want to make sure you're saving your work before moving on. Let's go on to the next page. And this is page um, 607. So that's the last page I need to do. As you can see, I've already started working here. And the same thing, you only have to click on the right tool that you want to use and then use it. Let me just give you one more tool. It's this draw line part. So if I want to show halves in these um, squares, I just pick this draw line and it's going to be easier for me to draw a very straight line. See how pretty that line is? Okay, and as you know, I can just do that, or I could do this to make halves. I don't have to do the same line, right, to show halves. Let me just give you one more thing. Is if I want to erase something, I'm gonna go back to the dot here on the left, and I want to hit eraser. Let's say I don't want to do this line like this, so I'm just gonna have to erase it. Up, 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 up. Let's say I wanted to be very creative because I'm inspired by math and I want to do, see, I have to click again on the tool I need. Okay, each time I need that tool, each time I need to change tools, I have to click again. All right, so let's say I want to do this. I want to show halves this way for this shape, and then ta-da. All right, let's say I'm finished here. Remember, I hit save. Once I'm done, I don't need to be here anymore because even though there's many pages here, I do not need to complete them all. All right. Okay, I'm finished. I can close this window. All right. And now I'm gonna go back to where I was earlier. Hit exit, and voila, I'm right here. I'm finished with my practice. I'm finished with my video, and now I'm ready to go do my quick check. I hit there, and this is an online thing. This is much more easier. Just, click on the right answer. If you need to be read to,
what fraction does the picture below represent?
Listen. Okay, let's do this very quick. I'm of course guessing, so I'm going to have a lot of answers that are not going to be right. All right. That was my last one. Just 5 questions, really quick. Literally quick check. And let's say, oh, I'm not so sure about question number 2. I want to see it again. Okay, so you can go back by hitting on view question. All right. All right, let's see. Okay, I'm done. Let's just go back. I can just hit on view progress and review progress, and I am back. Okay, let's say, okay, I'm sure about my questions. I'm ready to submit my test. So you go ahead and click here. Oh no, all of them are wrong. What happened? Okay, let's say I don't understand what happened in question number 2. So go back, view question, and they're gonna tell you, oh, the right answer was 7/4, right? Okay, all right, okay, no problem. I'm done here. Exit. And since I already clicked submit, my tile will be checked as well. Now I'm ready to send all of this work to my teacher, and that's when I hit send to teacher. But let's say I don't want to work online, teacher. I really don't want to do that. So it's no problem. No problem at all. All you have to do if you want to print your work and send it, just go back to your book, or just open up your book, right? And make sure you're going to work on the right page, right? It's usually just guided practice and independent practice. That's basically what we're requiring you guys to do. And then you want to print this, so go ahead on this icon. Once you get the right page, go on the icon and click on print. The only thing is that you're going to have to click on print each time you want to print a page. It's not going to print the whole set of pages in one click. So you're gonna have to click, like, you want to print this page, it's printed, now go on to the next one and then hit print again. All right, okay, and then you just print it, use a pencil, crayons, and then send that picture to the teacher, and that's gonna be fine too. All right, guys, I really hope this video was helpful for you. And just, if you have questions, just let me know. Email me, send me a text, a remind. I can FaceTime with you. I mean, anything you need to complete your work. Um, and if I can do it, I will do it. I will be happy to help you. All right, I'm just gonna sign out and see you